Clients want to know all the time, am I going to lose my assets? Am I going to be able to keep my car? Will I be able to keep my home? And these are important concerns. 99% of the time, assets aren't lost in bankruptcy. Any attorney who's going to gloss over whether and if you're going to lose your house or lose your car is really not being sensitive to the reasons that you're coming to see them. So the analysis in deciding whether and if you're going to lose property, your house, your car, is going to be how much equity you have in those individual assets. There are a host of reasons why somebody may think they want to file without their spouse. Maybe all the debt is in one of the spouse's names. Maybe the obligations that they signed for are in one person's name but not another. Maybe one person just has all the debt and the other person doesn't want to have their credit impacted. The answer is, if you're living together in a marital home, you're a household under the terms and conditions of the code, the definitions, you can file without your spouse, absolutely. But the income that your spouse has is going to be considered for purposes of whether you file a Chapter 7 where no one's paid back or Chapter 13 where you make payments. And that's really it. When you hire us, you're always going to meet with an attorney. There are many firms where you immediately contact them and they're going to give you a telephone appointment and you're going to speak to a paralegal on the telephone before you can even see an attorney. We don't work that way. My firm has 2 attorneys, myself and Mr. Chris Cassie, and we work very closely in New Jersey and our 3 offices, Toms River, Cherry Hill, and Mount Holly, to make sure that we see clients directly. You're not going to meet with a paralegal, you're going to meet with us. You're going to meet with us in a no-cost, confidential first consultation. Okay, there's never a cost to coming to see us. We're going to give you direction. We're going to try and tell you whether and if you belong in a Chapter 7, a Chapter 13, or if bankruptcy is not appropriate for you, which under some circumstances it may not be. And then we will offer you non-bankruptcy solutions, which we help people with as well.